Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how I use baking soda to help me with bad breath. Now a few months ago my husband used to tell me on a regular basis that he would smell my breath, and normally I like to keep Listerine in my bathroom, right? Listerine, the original one, or Listerine. I love Listerine, and for some reason I didn't have any, and I began to use baking soda. And a little while afterwards, just recently, I noticed that my husband, he said to me as well, he said, I have me smelling your breath, right? I said, well, that's a good thing. And I responded to him that, that I've been using baking soda and that's the reason why. But I didn't really know, I just said that. So when I did some research now, I realized that the baking soda is very good for bad breath and stuff, so. Cool. So let me show you what I do. So is that like a daily routine, or if I do it like every time I go to brush my teeth, I will do it if I have the chance, and I do this process. So let me show you what I do. I use this brand Arm & Hammer baking soda, right? So another thing too, I even have my grandson, he uses it as well, and he has gotten into the routine and he enjoys it. So it's harmless. Okay, so I put a small bit in my hand, right, a small bit of baking soda, and I could either use my finger, like let's wet my finger a bit, so it'll stick to my finger, and just brush my teeth with my finger, or I use a toothbrush, both ways. Just do like this, so I get a good scrub on the teeth. This also helps, like I think, whiten the teeth as well. I just do that. And doing is also good for the gum too, Get all the back hair. The reason why I prefer to use my finger, because I find I get to the places where I think the toothbrush is not getting to. It's kind of hot, guys, so you find I'm looking like sweaty and wet, so excuse me, it's very hot today. When I'm done that now, put some water in my mouth. And that's all I do, rinse it up in my mouth. As you can see, as you saw what I did, I rinsed it up. I shook up my mouth a bit with the, as I had the water and the baking soda in my mouth, I shake it up a bit, leave it in my mouth for like about a minute or two, and just put it out. Of course, I'll do the regular brushing of my teeth process, but this is part of it, and it doesn't take long. And as I said before, my husband noticed the difference. He doesn't smell my breath anymore. I think basically too, that was because I wasn't been drinking a lot of water too, but this baking soda too is very, very good. Again, like I said before, it's good for the gums. A little secret, I am 56 years old as of today, right, and I have all my teeth intact. So I think that is one of the good reasons for my good health of my good teeth and stuff. I cherish my teeth very, very. I'm also trying to get my husband into this routine too as well, as to use baking soda on a regular basis and brush his teeth and stuff, so yeah. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you'll get a notification each time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.